Hi everybody, I'm Crystal. I used to groom dogs. An artist reached out to me about doing a video for cutting your dog's nails at home. And so I have my poodle here, who's nice and chill on the couch. So a tip for cutting your dog's nail: do it somewhere where they are nice and relaxed. After you've taken them for a walk, after they've been outside and burnt off some energy. You could try to distract them with treats. My dogs are all pretty chill and don't mind getting their nails done. I like to do them on the couch when they're just chilling out. I also have a grooming table that they don't mind getting up on as well. It's easier for you to get to their level instead of putting the dog up on a high table if they're not used to it, or forcing them in like a weird hold or something. So if you can get them when they're lying down and still. Another trick is to start cutting their nails when they're puppies. So nails should be done every month, if not sooner. My old girl here, the poodle, she's 15 years old, and her nails grow super quick right now. Her nails are also black, so you'll get to see where the quick is when you trim black dog's nails, and where to find it and what to look for. And yeah, so tools that you're going to need is a set of dog clippers. I like a plier cutter. This one's by Andis. You can get them at the pet store here in town. You can get them pet stores anywhere or online from another pet place. Ren's Pets is where I get all my stuff from. And there's the guillotine clippers as well, which it's like a little guillotine and it slides to cut your dog's nails. You want to make sure they're sharp so they don't pinch the nail, that they'll cut through the nail. I think that's it. So I'm going to try and get her at least cooperated to do one paw here so you guys can see. It's already did that one. So with the nails here, her nails are all full of dirt because she was out in the garden today. So you can see her curve of her nails. So we're not going to go too short or too, but you want to take off. If you look on the bottom of the nail, there's kind of like a V underneath here. Hers are full of mud, which is not a very good example. Anyways, you can see it underneath the nails. You can see their vein where it reaches out, so you want to cut just before that mark. And you're gonna hold their paw, and I separate their nails with my fingers, and you can take your clippers and you want to do nice firm pressure to trim the nail. You can see at the end of her nail here, I don't know if it's very well, where's my camera here, it's hard to get the angle. You can see there's like a white spot, and then in the white spot there's a black dot, which means you're getting fairly close to the quick, and that's where you want to stop cutting. If you do cut the quick at home, you can apply cornstarch or flour, which will help stop the bleeding. You can also get a product called Quick Stop, which you can put on the end, and it helps to speed up the clotting process. When you do cut a dog's quick, depending on the severity of it, it can bleed quite a bit. I know when I first started grooming, I cut my mom's poodle's nail super quick, super short. It bled a lot, and I threw her outside because I wasn't prepared and had any flour or cornstarch to stop the bleeding right away, and it bled all over the snow, and it was everywhere. So yeah, so I'm just gonna cut her back nails here. You can sort of see what's happening. So if you have multiple dogs, a good trick too is to separate the dogs, especially if they like to bug each other. So my other two dogs are outside right now while I chop Lady's nails. The other dogs usually are pretty patient and wait their turn. if you're nervous about cutting their quick, you can also just take tiny slivers off their nail as well. Get one here. So like you can go super tiny and just take little slivers of a slice off their nail until you get it to the length that you're wanting. And yeah, so that's it. That's ladies' nails. Hope this helps any home groomers out there while you're waiting to get in to see your regular groomer or your vet to cut nails. I guess that's all. So good night from Lady and I.